as we lived in apartheid.
Sechaba, ihomo di fedile, ba fedile li ba papa, ba sereti di pasa. Siti mela si ba sex, ba fele di Johanna. Soweto. Masiali ba sex, ba seti bali bawe. Ubisilu felile Abaso si bezi mpipizi akataza Yubulugu madona le yama Yase Afrika Yo Siyelele mama Uhelele yo Siyelele mama.
Jesus, Godfrey. I'm there the whole night and I try to use my little favorite line. I know I'm going to get to use it, but I think I'm going to use it now dry. So I'm going to say box cover. That was a very, very good performance. I don't understand what I say, but it's convincing. I do not know what kind of training you do because you give me pain. You give me suffering like you go through adult suffrage. You know what them life there? Big up to young nanny that did the opening. That was cool, but all me go, yeah, young nanny, that I'm going to call her at school from now. But all me go ask now, if you can just do the little piece, a little just do it for me, please. May I beg you one more time. Sato, one more time, little piece.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Siali la Sechaba, ihomo di fedile.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, Godfrey Stewart, you were becoming my favorite from the round before. I'm so glad you got to do this song for us. It was excellent. The tone was there, the harmony and the expression. I don't know one word of what you're singing, but I got the message. Very good work.